Welcome guys to part number 5 of BTS reactions. For context, if you the first time here, I've been doing videos where any video watching BTS songs from the eldest to the newest. And I think this is the last part because I will be going to Yet to Come, which I believe the latest BTS comeback. So this is for the main track. So I might start doing B-sides in the upcoming parts, or if you have any other ideas, because I still didn't really decide what to do, but I still want to continue this series because you guys given me a lot of requests, and I'm just excited to check them out. Let's do it.
Check out my Patreon for blocked or exclusive content, 1-hour video requests, and more. Shout out to all my amazing supporters.
I love that effect. Oh, Jungkook. Beautiful. Oh, that was here, right? That was a beautiful moment. Good. Yo, the popping is crazy. Damn, this is so exciting. That was just an intro, wow. Bro, J-Hope travel speed is crazy. The mirror effect. Oh, Jimin. Damn. Yo, Jimin with the drop, man. That was cool. Oh my goodness. This choreography is fire. Good. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. What an aura. Okay. The song is really sad. Wow, I love this song. It's really good. And the choreography is so freaking good as well. But I'm sure I'm gonna be listening to this song. Um, Mostly I enjoyed Jin's voice in the Fake Love part. And I think V is singing the intro, right? It's like they're leaving shadow or trace. That was cool. Oh, it's beautiful. So RM, Jimin, Jin, Jungkook, J-Hope, Suga, and V. Ooh, I like that little detail by J-Hope. If you notice, he did like a hand wave. That was cool. It gave kind of more illusion to that move if you focus more on him in this moment. Oh man, it's like something swiped him to the ground. Yeah, I always say that it's not the move, it's the way they do it. They make it look super cool. Oh my god, what was that? A clap, right? Oh my god. I hate it when a move is confusing to me. Like, I just like to keep memories of the moves in my mind, but sometimes you just can't help it with such moves. Oh my god. I wish I can pop like that. I love that one. Beautiful. Oh, so he was kind of controlling the circle using his hand. That's good. Oh, it's the first move that Jungkook did. Now they're doing it kind of formation thing. Oh my god, this move is man, it's just like the way they really hold their arms very strong. It's like being swiped back by a magnetic or something. It's oh my god. They give it so much weight. Oh, look at this. Also, I love the variety of the drop too. It's cool. Oh, JK. Jimin in the scene. Alright. Yo, V with the glasses. I like that. Yo. I was so distracted, bro. I didn't even... Oh my god. Oh, okay, okay, I saw you. Nice catch. What a fit by J-Hope. Hey. Oh. Alright. Beautiful. I love the scene that Suga and Jimin created for J-Hope. And he was going and picking two by two and dancing with them. I love that interaction. Oh, they switch mics. Good. I actually love the different fits for this video. I feel like they dress so differently. Like Jimin, I saw him dressing like that. J-Hope as well. JK. So I guess like kind of recognize the others and see how they love to dress. Maybe Dionysus. Oh, backup dancers, right? Alright. love the table interaction. All right. Got it. Beautiful. Oh my god, that was so surprising. Oh, Suga time. Process. So many objects. Wow. I love it. There's a lot going on. It's like the vibe of Run BTS. There's a lot of backup dancers in there, and it's like a big, huge performance. Basically, just for concert, it's gonna be so big. And yeah, I mean, the more you add objects to them, they become to manage because you have to interact with specific object in a specific order. So that was amazing. And shout out to the supporting the backup dancers as well. They did a great job. Boy with love. Oh my god. In the intro, Jimin, he looks so good. Okay. Oh, I like that. I love that, bro. They always do things that like I'm just enjoying the dance, and then they do something that surprises me. Hey, let's go. Beautiful. They seem to be having fun during this choreography, which I like. And oh my God, Jungkook's style, it just screams my style. Not too baggy, not too short, all black, and big shoes. Oh my God, like that's literally what I very feel comfortable wearing. So, and I also noticed that in other videos, like I always resonate with his outfits a lot. So, yeah. So this one especially, I do love it because I already have outfits like that specifically. So, yeah. Nice. I like that move. It's a lot of fun. All right, RM. Let's go. Oh, Rose. Thank you, White Pencil. Oh, it was in his pocket. Okay. Black Swan. Good. Jimin, oh my god, that was so good. That move was given like the Blood, Sweat, and Tears intro. Alright, let's go. Iconic moment. Wow. This song is amazing. Every time I keep saying it's amazing, it just keeps getting better. Yeah, this part when RM starts, it hits different. I don't know. I don't know. I just love it. Let's watch it one more time. Oh yeah, I just noticed some of them don't have shoes. Okay. So Jimin, RM. Okay. Also V with the slippers. Good. Good synchro. Wow. Black Swan. It looks like a good song, buddy. On. And this one looks, yeah, Black Eyed Dancer, so it's gonna be like the previous one. The Dionysus. Oh, drums. Oh, Jimmy for the intro. Beautiful. Jim and Jungkook vocals together, wow. Oh, it's so tough. Oh my god. Wow. Like J-Hope, man, it's his bubble, his style. Some moves in the chorus were very, very strong. Oh, drum time! Again, Jimin is without shoes. Got it! Oh my goodness! Oh my god, what did I just watch? That was so huge. Crazy performance. Damn. Now we have Dynamite, and actually, I see this word a lot in the comments, so very excited. Again, J-Hope, man, you guys, like, he's always in his era. Wow. And also, that part where Jungkook was walking forward in the On video, his vocals were really amazing, and I'm starting to notice that. So this is Michael Jackson inspired. Ooh, okay. Oh my god. It's very interesting to see them with this kind of style. Inspired by that. Oh god. Oh my god, I remember this move is such a hustle. Oh my god! Let's watch this again. He's vibing, dude. Okay. My favorite duo. Oh god, oh god. The hype. Right. It was fun. But it's definitely a different BTS. Next one we have Butter. Okay.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cold shake summer, yeah, owe it up to my mother.
Okay.
Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down.
Yo, the glass is flying. Wait, did I miss the worldwide handsome thing? Oh yeah? Of course. Looking in the mirror. Oh my god. JK is so smooth, god. let's rewind. God, man. Did you see, guys?
Making you fall like that. When I look in the mirror, I'm too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so
Sorry, pausing chorus, but the way they join the formation and they go directly to the chorus in a very short time. Oh, yeah.
I got the superstar glow, so
That's what this movie is so difficult, man. They just slide their foot a little bit above the ground. I don't know. I need to try it to understand. Let's see it one more time. Yo, J-Hope. Good.
I'm the next guy. Got the right body and the right mind. Rolling up the party, got the right vibes. Like, haters. Fresh boy, pull up, go lay low. On the bass, get moving with the bass low. Go on me, right behind us with the same show. Let's go.
The army. Oh yeah, it's army. That's so cute. Did the fans recreate this? That would be fun. But how many people do you need? 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 6 people. Yeah. But I think you can do A with one person, right? JK, you look amazing today. Let's see this one. Oh my god. Nice. Now permission to dance, and this is the last one that I found a choreography for, because yet to come I'm gonna be taking the music video for it. So let's go. Who has the fluffy hair? Oh, V. Alright.
Well, it all seems like Swan. Sing along to Elton John. Into the feeling we're just getting started.
A Gemini moment spotted. Okay. It's giving like summer song, like very fun summer music. Okay. Cheering up! I love that. Dance is really fun though. Okay, this na na na, I think I kind of heard it in a challenge. I think it was a challenge or something. Yeah, I did. I'm so sure. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. My heart. Okay. Gosh. Oh. Yay, I love it. As I mentioned before, it's a very fun song. Alright, we have Yet to Come, and this is the last one. A desert. Oh, that's Jungkook.
Was it honestly the best? Cause I just wanna see the next 부지런히 지나온 어제들 속에 참 아름답게 Yeah, the past was honestly the best But my best
These
is
are
what comes
close
next
shot to
I'm not
them.
good enough for sure 그날을 향해 숨이 벅차게 You and the best moment is yet to come
I don't think it's CGI. So they traveled here. Got the perfect smile ever. Pt2.
언젠가부터 붙은 불편한 수식어 최고란 말은 아직까지 난 간지러워 난 마냥 강음하게 좋은 걸 여전히 그때와 다르게 별로 아마 다른 게 별로 없다면 you say so lying 난 변화는 많았지만 변함은 없었다 해 어느 샷도 매 순간이 새로운 트레서 지금 난 마치 13살 그때 나처럼 아직도 배울 게 많고 나 인생 채울 게 많아 그 이유
J-Hope.
어딘가 여전한 소년이 있어. Moment is yet to come, yet to come.
I don't know. Jimin in this moment, like the short haircut made him look very young, like the early days.
여전한 소년이 있어.
Oh, B, did you see it? A bus.
모두가 숨죽인 밤 우린 발을 멈추지 않아. We're gonna touch the sky for the day we die. 자 이제 시작이야. The best yet to come. The best, 'cause I just wanna see the best. 눈부시게 지나온 기억들 속에 참 아름답게. Yeah, the past was honestly the best. But my best what comes next. Maybe seeing it did the more. 그날을 향해 떠오르답게. You and the best moment is yet to come.
Good. Oh, it's a chill moment. Hope. Yet to come the most beautiful moments. I enjoyed watching them, like close shots, good quality because I'm used to watch dance videos only. So, yeah.